Ever look at your neighbor's lawn and wonder how it always looks so clean? Like they've got a whole crew working for them? Truth is, it's not about working harder. It's about knowing the right sweeping tricks. So today, we're breaking down the 7 must-know lawn tips. Tip number 1, sweep dry. Never sweep when the grass is still wet. Wait until the morning dew has lifted, then hit the turf and sweep right after mowing. This keeps clippings light and loose, so your sweeper picks them up in fewer passes with better results. Tip number 2, set the right brush height. Your brush shouldn't dig, it should glide. Set it just low enough that the bristles touch the turf, not tear into it. Do a short test pass, then adjust in quarter turns until you find that perfect height. A small tweak can make a huge difference in pickup and efficiency. Tip number 3, overlap your lanes. Always use straight, steady passes with about a 6 to 8 inch overlap. That overlap ensures full coverage and no stray clippings left behind. In tighter areas, like around trees or corners, cross-hatch your passes to grab every last bit of debris. Tip number 4, work with wind and discharge. Let the environment work with you, not against you. Sweep with your mower's discharge side on your intake side to pull clippings efficiently. Do not drive with the wind. Any direction is okay. Tip number 5, keep speed in check. Don't rush it. A moderate ground speed paired with higher brush RPM almost always outperforms racing across the yard. Smooth, steady movement gives you cleaner pickup, tighter control, and fewer missed spots. Tip number 6, empty before it's crammed. Avoid overloading your hopper. Dump when it's about 80% full to keep airflow strong and pickup consistent. Once it's packed too tight, debris starts trailing behind, wasting your effort and your time. Tip number 7, sweep all sweeper equals easier sweeping. Want faster, cleaner results in fewer passes? Step up to a sweep all powered turf sweeper. With adjustable brush height, high-capacity hoppers, and easy hydraulic dump control, it's built to handle serious cleanup jobs with ease. Because a perfect lawn isn't just about how well you mow, it's about how clean you finish. Follow these tips and every pass will leave your turf looking fresh, even, and picture perfect. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to catch more pro tips for lawn and turf care.